sending warm greetings to everyone from the country of Shiba Inu once more. For Shiba Inu, bull run will remove 3 zeros from their total. Currently, on this day, February 4, 2023, SHIB news, a record low of 0.993 Doge was reached by the pair of SHIB and Doge 3 months ago. Since then, the pair has skyrocketed to 0.11,638 Doge, representing an increase of more than 100. The significant surge in value occurred when investors focused their attention on the forthcoming launch of Sharam Fiber, which was scheduled to take place. This was announced on January 16 and is based on the Ethereum Manet protocol. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inus that have been removed from the 30s, as well as the current bull run on SHIB news. It is important to keep in mind that in order to view our most current videos, you should give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. There have been reports that Sharam may launch on February 14, which led to a surge in the price of SHIB, as reported by Cointelegraph. Elon Musk's decision to suspend a Doge tipping bot for violating Twitter's standards, on the other hand, gave the impression that the basics of Dogecoin were lacking. On the other hand, the year 2023 is off to a fantastic beginning for both of the meme coins. At this point in time, Doge has gained 36, whereas Shiba has gained approximately farther. According to a number of technical indicators, the SHIB recovery trend is likely to continue over the course of the next few weeks. Based on previous cycles, it is possible that the pair will climb by more than 40% from its present price of 0.22181 by the month of March 2023. In February, both SHIB and Doge will face challenges in comparison to the dollar, despite the fact that SHIB is more likely to prevail than Doge. Because rising wedges are formed when the price rises within two convergent ascending trend lines. They come to an end when the price breaches the lower trend line and descends to the height of the wedge. For instance, Dogecoin, which is painting a possible rising wedge formation, could conceivably experience a slight pullback against the dollar in the future. Through the utilization of the daily Doge price chart scenario, the aim for the downside is decreased by 10, bringing it down to 0.85 from the current price levels. According to the relative strength index of 81, SHIB appears to be overextended on its daily chart. This is shown by the ratio over 70 is considered to be overpaid. Furthermore, a pullback is most likely in store at the strong resistance zone that it is currently battling, which is located somewhere around 0.11,517. If this is the case, the price of SHIB might drop by 13 to 20 from its current levels in February, reaching a range of 0.130 to 0.13, which has been its most active area in the most recent months. On the other hand, SHIB would be in a position to make a rise to 0.1651, which is the upward target of the bull pennant formation that it is currently in. In the event that it were to push through the 0.1517 threshold for the future decentralized finance effort, the Shiba Inu community has made a request to Binance to market a digital asset that was just designated as the governance token for the platform. The SHIB army has started a new petition on change.org in which they are seeking that BONE, Shiba Swap, a utility token of the network, be listed on the cryptocurrency exchange platform that is the largest in the world in terms of volume. With the use of BONE, the governance token of the Shiba Swap ecosystem, the SHIB army will have the ability to vote on upcoming proposals. The bigger the amount of BONE that a user possesses, the more weight their vote will carry in these prospective endeavors. Despite the fact that the petition has only gotten 1172 signatures so far, the short-term goal of attaining 1,500 signatures has been accomplished. Last month, the cryptocurrency exchange staked 4 trillion SHIB tokens, which are estimated to be worth roughly $35 million. This was done after the makers of Shiba Inu disclosed that BONE will be the token of Sharam. Their Layer 2 project, which will soon be launched. As of now, Binance has not provided a response to the request. In just 1 week, the news sparked a BONE rally, which resulted in a 40% increase in the stock price. Over the course of the past 24 hours, the trading value of SHIB has dropped by 2.6 to 0.12, while the value of BONE has dropped by 3.2 to $1.46. An increase in the market valuation of the meme coin from $6.03 billion to $6.09 billion occurred during the course of the preceding 7 days. It ultimately reached $7,647 $1,777,741 in total. In the year 2023, SHIB has demonstrated that he is one of the most achievers to this point. The cryptocurrency known as Shiba Inu was introduced in the year 2020 by an unidentified entrepreneur in the field of technology. Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin, both of whom are involved in the technology industry, have made a claim on the token. According to price prediction on net, Shiba Inu has been successful in attracting clients who were not interested in the Dogecoin frenzy, but have since become interested in the cryptocurrency. In the year 2023, it is projected that SHIB will demonstrate a trend that is generally good. According to their price forecasts, the average coin could potentially trade at a price as high as 0.196, which would be a 39.4 increase over the current market price. By the year 2024, it is anticipated that SHIB will maintain its current upward course of pricing. On the basis of CoinCodex claims, according to Codex forecast, the SHIB token might potentially trade at a market price of 0.25 if its growth is comparable to the anticipated expansion of the internet. The Shiba Inu price forecasts, on the other hand, should not be considered as investment advice because there are still a great number of factors that have the potential to produce big losses in the cryptocurrency market. In spite of this, Shiba Inu remains one of the most promising tokens of 2023, taking into consideration its current market performance as well as the imminent debut of Sharam. As stated in an article published on the Shanghai blog, experts have conducted research on the fluctuations in the market and the values of SHIB. Their findings indicate that SHIB may potentially reach a high of 0.500 and a low of 0.4183. During that year, it is anticipated that its potential return on investment, often known as ROE, will be 322, with an average price of 0.435. In agreement, Ellen mentioned that there are cryptocurrency analysts who believe that the price of Shiba coin might potentially hit a new high in the year 2025. However, despite the fact that they believe they will sufficient tokens this year, they are skeptical about the possibility of a price hike in 2022. The price of SHIB is expected to range from a minimum of 0.9839 to a maximum of 0.1928, according to their projections. An estimated price of 0.152 is found to be the average for it. In addition, the Shanghai blog article mentioned that the average price at which SHIB might be traded in the year 2030 is determined to be 0.30921. The price will range from 0.299,857 to 0.5,649 per unit, with 0.35649 being the highest possible price. It is anticipated that SHIB will have a potential return on investment of 28.78 by the year 2030. As of right now, there is a cause to believe that the price of SHIB on the charts might go up. As an illustration, many people are of the opinion that the acceptance of cryptocurrencies will increase if users burn a certain amount of tokens. That being said, the meme currency needs to encourage a wide variety of applications in order to be successful. Increases in the prices of Shiba Inu metaverse coins, Shiba Inu leashes, and Bone Shiba Swap